red color, orange color, black color, pink color, yellow ochre color, yellow color, gray color, white color, purple color, blue color, and last one is green color. It's now you draw A and hue is green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. It's now you draw E and hue is red color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and hue is black color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N and hue is blue color. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and hue is yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and hue is orange color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and hue is purple color. 1 2 3 4 5. It's now you draw 6 and hue is yellow ochre color. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. It's now you draw A and hue is green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now you draw H and hue is red color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and hue is yellow color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and U is black color. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use red color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.